do an intro. Do an intro, Uni. Oh, good girl. That'll work for an intro, I think. This is the first YouTube video where I'm filming with an actual real mic. We got to start out by testing the mic a little bit. So, he's like, "Ow." There you go. See what that audio is like now when we play it back. Do you have anything to say? Not a big talker, that one. We have here 4 wheels and 4 spikes. Shout out to Tortoise Millwrights for building me these massive spikes. Okay. We're gonna attach them to the wheels of the smart car. We're gonna rip around, shred up some couch cushions. That the front spikes are smaller is because we want to be able to turn the spike without it eating into the fender. So we're going to test that now.
Nope, keep going, you're good. You got like 2 inches.
That's Tortoise Millwrights, baby. Now we have to go all the way the other way. We could still be dissing Tortoise by the end of this. Are we good?
Oh yeah, I got a solid 2 inches again.
That's so good. Put the camera on me. I want to hype up Tortoise Millwrights. Tortoise Millwrights for all your fabricating needs. Get those jacks underneath so the back wheels are off the ground.
And then get them spinning?
In the air, and then throw
yeah.
cushions into it.
Yes!
Oh, did you see that?
Yeah. It's not perfectly straight.
On the lathe, it was perfectly straight and it didn't have any wobble. So we know it's just a tad crooked, it's not the actual part.
Right.
What we've learned from this is it doesn't really shred stuff, it more just grabs it really hard and very suddenly.
What's inside of it?
Oh look, there's cushion in the cushion.
Oh, weird.
It rips around pretty good, eh?
Oh yeah, this is great. Smart cars are capable of way more than what people think they are.
Nice.
As much as I would love to take this out on the road, I cannot because it is uninsured and still technically belongs to the guy who I bought it from because we haven't done the paperwork yet. And I'm pretty sure if I got pulled over, I cannot pass as the guy I bought it from because I do not look like a middle-aged Jamaican man.
No, you do not.
I'm gonna try and rip right beside this snowbank and shred it all up on my way by. We'll see if I shred it or I get stuck. I don't know. It's pretty hard snow though, so I don't know.
That was weak. And the damage from the first pass seems to be nil to none.
Did the front spike just catch?
Yeah, I think you went in a little
and then
deep.
it just flung it around?
Yeah.
Okay, this time I'm gonna try to get the
Did
back spike to hit first.
you see your first one? You pretty well didn't even hit it.
Yeah, I know, I just nicked it.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby! Was that the same thing?
Yeah.
The front caught?
Oh yeah.
I guess we're gonna try again. We'll try again.
Well, you've done it 3 times and you haven't managed to do it yet.
Yeah. I think the problem is we're kind of coming at it at an angle. Let's try that snowbank right down there so we can hit it more straight on.
The Amish were absolutely having a time looking at you.
Really?
Oh yeah. Did you like
Okay.
double checked with his wife? Like he was like, hey, yo, is this what I think this is?
What are the Englishmen getting up to? I had some people coming up to me earlier and they were talking to me about it. They're like, what are you doing?
It honestly makes no sense to anybody.
It makes sense to me. I think it's pretty cool.
Plus
Okay,
I can get my
let's
hands.
move to the other side of the building where there's not so many eyes on us.
All right, what is your take on the car, concern?
Very nice.
How
So
nice.
tiny, yet such massive destruction.
Massive destruction.
Okay, don't put it in drive while we're still standing here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Caleb, what do you think of your legs being here?
my legs are fine here. It's not in drive.
What if Mark put it in drive?
He's not going to put it in drive. I just told him not to.
That
Is
doesn't
it in
mean
drive, Mark?
No.
There we go. Oh, what are you doing, Josh? What? Where are you going?
home.
No, Mark. I think you're gonna have to back up again, Mark. Now it's time for a segment I like to call Man versus Car. Can I stop this moving car while it's in drive? Oh no! I stopped it. I'm strong. It was me that stopped it. I don't. The bank has nothing to do with it. I stopped it.
Caleb is so strong.
Yeah, it was me.
He's got a real problem with
Yeah.
his strength.
I could
being too
lift this
strong.
whole car myself if I wanted to.
Yeah.
I could lift this whole building. Show that building.
Yeah, this whole
Yeah.
building.
Do you guys see that building? I could just lift it. I'm jacked.
He's huge. If he takes his shirt off, it's like
Okay.
It's insane. It's insane.
Okay. We kind of ran out of daylight a little bit, but we do have one more segment. This is going to be a tug-of-war between me and Josh. Josh in his Volkswagen Jetta, me in my much cooler looking smart car. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, baby! Come on! No! It looks like he won just because he dragged me all the way across the yard. Actually, I stopped trying to pull him because I saw a turtle crawl out ahead of me. Oops. Thank you all for watching. This has been a very fun video to film. Don't forget to subscribe to the video and like the channel.
Go, go, go! Go! Go!